Okay, we'll be starting with the new topic today, that is MNC, that are multinational corporations. Let's begin with multinational corporation. What does a multinational corporation means? How it affects our economy and what are the benefits of multinational corporations and what are the features, advantages, disadvantages, everything we gonna cover in this topic. So firstly, let's come to what is a multinational corporation is. Multinational corporations are basically those companies which run their business in more than one countries. All right. For example, these businesses are run all over the world. So that is why these companies are known as multinational corporations or multinational companies. For example, McDonald's, Domino's, your various brands, Nike, Woodland, these all come under MNCs because they have their head office in just one country, that is the country of their origin, but their branches are spread all over the world into different countries, you can say. These companies are also known as transnational corporations or international corporations. All right, because they have their businesses in run internationally. Multinational corporations are originated in early 1860s after the World War II, when there is a need of various, what you can say, when we need to increase the production and we need more goods, when the production was very low. So at that time, these multinational corporations came into existence. United States is the hub of MNCs. But nowadays, all those companies which are being established in USA are now mainly situated in developed countries like Europe and Japan as well. And India is a developing country. It has a range of multinational corporations. Mostly all the MNCs see India as a hub for the labor. That is why, first of all, labor, and second of all, they get labor at cheap cost. So mostly MNCs are set up in India to cut their cost and get cheap labor. Moreover, they are also benefiting us as they are providing us the employment opportunities. So, what is the proper definition of a multinational corporation? It is an organization which allocates its capital resources across national borders with the ownership centralized at a home country. What they are saying, they are using the capital resources of national borders, but their center of interest, or you can say their main business, lies in their home country or home nation. Anybody has any kind of doubt in this? Kind of doubt in any multinational corporation? You have read about this topic in your schools. Multinational corporation is a very famous topic and very easy topic. Multinational corporation is a company which has a direct investment in several countries. All right, and these countries help the multinational business to grow. All right, and now coming back to the features of multinational corporation. Multinational corporation helps in earning a large amount of reputation in different countries. Whenever a business is settled into a new developing country, it gets recognition. Most of the earlier, when Domino's or McDonald's were not there in India, most of the people are unaware of any kind of thing that is called pizza or burger are in existence. Normally people used to eat the different kind of food. The culture is also very different. Nowadays, what is happening due to the inculcation of these multinational corporations in our countries, we have been following a different kind of culture, having different kind of taste and preferences, and running all a different kind of nation than it was before. Moreover, multinational corporations improve the standard of living of a person. It creates in persons the healthy lifestyle habits. Moreover, it also benefit you for the overall growth and development of the country.